Hello friends, I am Priyanshu and welcome back to Discovery of Mind. So today we will discuss about meiosis and the part 3 which of our cell cycle and cell division. So I request one thing that please subscribe my channel Discovery of Mind, like, share and comment as much as possible. So let's begin the topic. So today's topic is my mitosis. So mitosis occurs only on somatic cells or in our body cells. Means in our all body meiosis cell division take place. Except germ cells. Germ cells means germinative cells, which are also called reproductive cells as well as egg cells. So in meiosis, cell divide and produce two daughter nuclei and helps in growth, replacement and repairment of cells. There are many functions, but these three are the basic function of it. So in meiosis or mitosis, same number of chromosome are there, means having haploid cell or n cell, it give rise to haploid nuclei. You understand that means retain the same number of chromosome. Here n number of chromosome are there and it divides to two daughter nuclei. These are two daughter nuclei. N divides two daughter divided and become n and n. And mitosis is divided into four phases, which are first phase is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. You may face difficulty means आप लोग डिफ़िकल्टी फेस करेंगे इनको लर्न करने में. सो मैं आपको एक आसान तरीका बताता हूँ. मीन्स यू लिसन समथिंग दैट इज़ PMT, means pre-medical test. So you understand why it, how that PM is a test, means PMT is a test. Pre-medical is a test. It is a short form, and we will discuss about प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज एंड टीलोफेज आगे चल के अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे इनको डिटेल्ड में. सो हियर इज अ वेरियस स्टेज ऑफ माइटोसिस, दैट इज माइटोसिस एंड इट्स वेरियस स्टेज. इंटरफेस इज फर्स्ट फेज और इट इज कॉल्ड प्रिपरेटरी फेज. प्रोपेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज, टीलोफेज we discussed further, and cytokinesis is the last phase, means in it division of cytoplasm takes place. Here division of nuclear material takes place. So first phase is interphase, as we discussed before. Interphase. So and it is a interphase or it is a preparatory phase also. We call it restive phase, but psychologically it is very active phase in mitosis cell division. Chromosome are uncoiled, means chromosome are not make the chromatid like this, means you understand. Undergo duplication means make exact copy of themselves. Nucleus is distinct, means nucleus is डिस्टिंग्विश्ड मीन्स न्यूक्लियस अलग हो जाता है, इधर से न्यूक्लियस गायब हो जाता है। न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जो क्रोमेटिन मटेरियल या रेडिएटेड मटेरियल होता है वो ऐसे अनकॉइल्ड मतलब पूरी न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन में फैल जाता है। न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन इंटैक्ट एंड न्यूक्लियस इज विजिबल मीन्स न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन तो बनी रहती है लेकिन न्यूक्लियस गायब हो जाता है और न्यूक्लियस की जगह न्यूक्लियोलस दिखने लगता है अपन को। एंड इन एनिमल सेल और इन एनिमल्स सेंट्रल डिवाइड होना शुरू करते हैं, ये एक फैक्ट है। सो यू सो सी दैट cell membrane, this is cell membrane and these are two centroids. This is chromatin material, uncoiled chromatin material, and this is nucleus. As I told you that nucleolus is visible and nucleus is distinct, and nuclear membrane is intact means nuclear membrane अभी बरकरार है, and it's in further phases its nuclear material chromatin network become coiled and start dividing. So let's be discussed about another. Now second phase is prophase. It is the longest phase of mitosis or cell division. Mitosis type cell division. Chromosome consists of two chromatid, means chromosome starts coiling. In interphase it is uncoiled. You see here it is coiled means two chromatids and one centromere. This is centromere is appearing. Nuclear membrane disintegrate means this is nuclear membrane. You see that this is nuclear membrane. It is start break down means ये थोड़ी देर में कुछ फेस में गायब हो जा रही है, अभी तो ये ब्रेक डाउन होना स्टार्ट हुई है. Nucleolus start disappearing means this is a nucleus, nucleolus, not a nucleus, nucleolus. It is start disappearing means ये गायब होना स्टार्ट हो गया है. And these are centroids. These moves to opposite poles and ester ray radiate from centroids. These are ester rays. These are ester rays. These radiate from centroids means these आने लगी हैं, centroid से आने लगी हैं. You may also take a screenshot to make your notes. This if in exam it is asked that define prophase. Board asks 3 to 4 marks questions in ICSE board. So these are how many points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means if 6 marks question are is also asked means अगर 6 marks का क्वेश्चन भी अगर पूछा गया तो भी आप जवाब दे दोगे. वैसे तो बोर्ड पूछता नहीं है, बोर्ड तो सिर्फ 3 to 4 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन देता है. सो थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ यू and thanks for watching, and other parts we will discuss further in next video. Thanks.